Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Notion Workspace access for project templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Notion website. Log in to your Notion account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the workspace where you wish to authorize access for project templates. Click on the Settings and Members option in the sidebar. In the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options. Select Members to view current Workspace members and their roles. If you need to add a new member, click on Invite a Member. Enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. Set the appropriate permissions for the new member or audience. Choose Can View or Can Edit based on their required access level. After setting the permissions, click Invite to send the invitation. Wait for the invited member to accept the invitation. Once they join, return to Settings and Members. Now select Templates from the sidebar. Find the project template you want to authorize access to. Click on the three dots next to the template title. Select Share from the drop-down menu. In the sharing settings, add the recently invited member's email. Ensure that the permissions are set correctly for this template. After adjusting the settings, click Invite or Share. The invited member will now have access to the project template within your Notion Workspace. Confirm that the access is working by notifying the member. Ask them to check if they can view or edit the template as intended. Make adjustments if any issues arise in accessing the template. You have successfully authorized access for project templates in Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.